Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make image size rotation in Google Docs. So get let's started. At first, open a Docs file. Firstly, insert the image and going to the insert image option and click for the upload from computer. Then choose picture. Make image size and rotation and click for the image and go into the image option and click for the widget and height and click for widget option and click for the height option. Then I show the make size and rotation in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.